Hey guys, this is David from Evertree, Ireland's biggest online herbal vape store. Today I'm going to be showing you the PAX replacement screens. These screens or filters come in packs of 3. They are specifically designed to avoid build-up in your PAX vape oven, while also allowing enough airflow through these 4 small holes to heat up your herbs. They need to be changed every few months depending how often you use your vape. If you don't change or clean them, they will definitely get blocked up and your vape will become far less efficient. So put the screen in the oven and press it in with your wire brush that comes with the PAX vape to keep it secure, and you're good to go. So that's the PAX screen set, which you can buy on Evertree.ie.